Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. I pray that you are all in the best of health and iman. If you are seeing this video for the first time, my name is Rukaya A. Khalid, popularly known as Ummu Sudais. If you enjoy watching my video, please click the red button down below and subscribe to my channel. Also watch my other videos. Jazakumullahu khairan. Thank you. So today inshallah I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I do my skincare routine. So inshallah I'm going to be showing the product one after another. The first thing is the Sita essence. I think this is face soap. It's used to clear the black spots on your face. Like me, I used to have black spots on my face, so this soap is used to clear the black spots. Sorry, pardon me if you can't read. I'm using the front camera of my phone. So this is how the soup looks like. It looks orange color. So how to use it? You apply this soap on your face for like 5 to 10 minutes. Then take your bath. The next thing on the list is vitamin serum. After cleansing your face with any cleanser of your choice, then apply a little amount of vitamin serum. This vitamin serum is used or is applicable to all types of skin. It is rich in vitamin C, whitening and brightening the skin. It makes your skin glowing, and that's what we needed, isn't it? Yeah, so that's it. So the next thing on the list is body lotion. These are the 3 body lotion I used. See, the first The first one is purple. See purple. Don't you see how my skin looks like purple? Purple. I just look like purple, isn't it? So I just look like, see, fine babe, I just look like this purple, right? So I don't use this one any longer. Let me drop it here. So let's concentrate on these two. I'm going to be mixing these two, but I'm going to be mixing them together. Visita essence body lotions. So I'm going to be using this. My mom recommended this for me, and this one is also good. This one is the same as this soap. So you can't see, just take a look. So out of all the 3 lotions, I prefer using this one, the Sita Essence body lotion. This is what I prefer using. They are all good, none of them is bad, but I prefer this one, so I'm going to be using this one as of now. I'm going to be using this one for now. And here is another body lotion. This is for children, but I used to apply this at times, not all the time. This one is also good. It makes your skin glow. This one is called what? Easy tune body oil. This one also make your skin soft. So they are all my skin. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoy watching the video. See you next. Thank you. Jazakumullahu khairan.